Good evening, everyone. I'm going to be teaching an interesting trick in Revit. In Revit, you can make a building and you'll often end up with a lot of rooms. So you'll want to be able to label all your rooms so that way it's very clear what each one is. Luckily, under the Architecture tab, there's a room tag right for doing that. The difference between a room tag and an area tag is a room will just enter in a closed space. In an area, you can select the area that you are marking as a room. You can also tag the room with a number if you're using a schedule, or you can separate an open space with room separator. Let's say I wanted to separate this room into two. Now it's two different rooms when I put the room tags in. So go ahead and click room tag, and I already had these as rooms so that you'll see it marked by an X. And then if you've already placed a room, it'll show this. But out in these hallways, I haven't created a room, so you'll see the X shows you that the entire space will be marked as a room. It won't work out here because I don't have any enclosed building space, but let's put in here. And what's convenient is you'll see it automatically marks the square footage that your room is. So I know that all the hallways combined is 1,432 square feet. Just double click it to go ahead and name it. Let's name it hallway. And you can also move it around. Like let's say I want the title over there. Then I can just click and drag it. You can drag. And the idea with this is you want it clear enough that you know where the room is and it's not overlapping on anything. A few of these rooms have long names, so you don't want them to overlap with anything. I think that's about it about creating rooms. If you try and delete a room, you'll get a notification that the room still exists on the plan, so you can't delete a room that way. You have to go into the schedule and delete it there. I think that's it. Thank you for having a listen, and all right.